This is the Frigidaire wall oven at the guest house on my friend's property. And it's no longer used as a house, it's an office. This thing is like probably 40 or 50 years old and it still works perfectly. You ever cooked like Thanksgiving dinner in this thing at all?
Oh yeah, we cook plenty of things in it constantly. Because,
See if I can figure out how to...
I haven't done that before. Maybe I wasn't pushing the button hard.
Oh yeah, there it goes.
Yeah, you've used this kitchen plenty. Especially when we have big get-togethers.
My friend accidentally turned it on once, but when I actually want to turn it on, I can't figure it out.
Try the on switch.
Isn't this the on switch?
That's temperature.
No,
that's a timer.
Timers.
This would be it right here. That's how long you want it on for. 10
Oh,
minutes.
there we go.
15 all the way up to an hour, almost 90 minutes, 2 hours it goes. I think you turn that on, you set the temperature, and it's rocking and rolling. And here's
Oh yeah, it's on. I can feel the heat. And this is Frigidaire made only by General Motors. That was the part that I thought was kind of...
That's cool.
Made only by General Motors.
It's heating up.
That thing is... It's amazing that thing still works. Yeah, I'll bet that's not self-cleaning. Doesn't even look like you could fit a whole turkey in there.
Oh yeah, you take those hands out. I mean the racks out.
So I guess this is like a backup oven when we have a lot of guests
Or
over.
we have big parties. We use this in our kitchen.
So this was at... What was this used as by the original owners, this house? Alright.
This was their mother-in-law's suite.
And did you put the central air in?
I did. Yeah.
And it came with oil forced air heat or base board?
Oil forced warm air heat. And then I put the central air in. Alrighty. Turn this light off.
Alright. So would it be possible to get a video of this one running?
What's that?
This unit.
You mean you want to see it outside running?
Yeah.
Yeah, sure. Go ahead. I'll turn it on.
Alright. Yeah, go ahead. And this is a Goodman, I believe, 2-ton straight cool air conditioner from 2002. I still haven't done the shut-off of the 3.5-ton at the main house. This looks just like my grandmother's. And he shut it off. Alright, that's all I needed. See if I can get the model number. Oh, this looks like it. Yeah. So this is a 3-ton, I think. Alright. Now let's go shut off the other Goodman. That should still be running. So yeah, that is the Goodman at the guest house. And perfect, it's still running.
This has been a Stamped Octagon production.